Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I want to talk to you about the higher dose infrared PEMF Go Mat. So you may have heard me talk about the higher dose sauna blanket before, maybe you haven't, but this is from the same brand, Higher Dose. If you guys do want to see my whole review on their infrared sauna blanket, which I love by the way, definitely check that video out. I will have that video linked in the description box below if you do want to check it out. But today I am talking about their infrared PEMF Go Mat. So I do want to put a little disclaimer out here. I was kindly gifted this because I did reach out to them and say that I wanted to review it, and they were very kind to send this to me. But also a disclaimer, I did personally purchase their sauna blanket myself, so I just want you guys to know that whenever I'm gifted a product, I will always be giving you my complete and honest opinion. So I just wanted to put that little disclaimer out there. And I do have a discount code for you guys. This is a very pricey product. It retails for $499, which I know is like crazy. So I'm definitely going to be telling you guys if I do think it is worth the price, because that is very pricey. And again, I do have a discount code for you guys to get $75 off, so I will have that listed in the description box below. The code is Danny75, but again, I will have that listed in the description box below if you guys do decide that this is possibly something that you might be interested in purchasing. So first off, let me tell you a little bit about this. So I have my notes written all out here, so if I'm looking away, it's because I'm referring to my notes. I want to make sure that I'm giving you guys all the information about it. So basically, this combines both infrared therapy and then also PEMF. If you don't really know much about both of them, don't worry, I'm going to tell you what both of them are. This is their client favorite infrared PEMF mat, but in a portable size. They do have a full size version, which retails for $1,000, which is like, whoa, okay, but we'll get into it, see if it might be worth it depending on the person. This one is half the price and it is a portable size. And what's really nice about this compact size is that it is good for traveling, it's great for storage, and it's really cool because it can fit in your office chair. So I actually have it right here, right now, and it's great for if you maybe work from home. Even if you don't work from home, if you have an office or with an office chair, that you could definitely use it there as well. And that's one thing that I really like about it, is that it does fit in an office chair. But okay, before I get into my thoughts more about it, I need to give you some more information about it so you guys actually understand what exactly this is. So you might be asking, what is the whole point of this mat? What are the benefits of it? So some of the benefits include that it helps you reduce stress, it can help with increasing energy, it can help with better sleep, it's good for improving circulation and improving muscle recovery. So to understand what exactly this mat does, it's helpful to know what both infrared is and then also PEMF. On their website, it says that PEMF grounds you in Earth's magnetic field for a full body reset, while infrared's deeply penetrating heat doubles your dose. So chronic pain, frequent workouts, and need for deep relaxation, it is good for all of those things. It can be very helpful for that. PEMF stands for Pulse Electromagnetic Field, which works by sending a low-level frequency throughout your body to recharge cells, expedite recovery, and calm the central nervous system. And PEMF has been scientifically proven to improve chronic pain conditions, lessen inflammation, and improve immune response. Basically, PEMF sends electromagnetic waves through your body at different frequencies, which helps to promote your body's own recovery process. And unlike harmful electromagnetic waves found in devices like X-ray machines and microwaves, PEMF waves are delivered in small bursts at a low frequency, mimicking the same kind of electromagnetic waves you'd find in nature. So the longer you use it, both over time and during your PEMF session, the more you will feel the long-term benefits. And the PEMF technology that is used in the mat is based on optimized frequency, intensity, and wave type of synergy with the other therapies which are part of the mat design. So it includes far infrared therapy, negative ion therapy, and crystal therapy. The mats are built with a thick layer of 100% natural purple amethyst crystals and mesh fabric tubes across the entire mat. The amethyst and tourmaline layers provide an even deeper therapeutic dose of infrared. So then now getting into infrared. Infrared deeply penetrates muscles and tissue to improve muscle recovery, calm the mind and body, and release happy chemicals for a natural high. So now let's go ahead and get into how to use this. How often can you use it? You can use it as much as you want. What's nice about this is that there isn't really any cleanup to it. I mean, maybe over time you might want to like sweep off some dust if dust collects on it, but it's really nice because it's not going to require much cleanup. The setup is also super easy. I personally like to use this in an office chair. I find that I will use it the most this way. It's really comfortable. I'll just use it while I am working, and I end up using it like 4 to 5 times a week, which is great. You could even put it on a couch, anywhere where you can just sit. You can pretty much use it that way. What do you wear? So you can wear whatever you want to wear. So basically the infrared heat does go up to 70 degrees Celsius or 158 degrees Fahrenheit. So I personally like to wear long pants when I use it, and that is just because of the heat. Now you can definitely wear shorts with it. If I do wear shorts when I use it, I like to just put like a blanket over it just to kind of create a barrier between my skin and the mat, but you can really wear whatever you want to wear. What setting should you use it at? So this is obviously going to depend on you and your own preferences. So like I have mentioned, there is infrared and also PEMF. So infrared is what is going to give you that heat, and the heat level options goes up to a level 7. So you can choose whatever setting you want. I personally like to use a level 3, 4, or 5. That is just what I've personally been using it at recently. And I find that level 4 and 5 is actually quite warm. I have not tried using it at a higher level than that yet, just because 4 and 5 are quite warm. Also, ladies, this mat is so nice for period cramps. I absolutely love this for when I'm on my period cramps. It's so helpful. Maybe you work from home, or maybe you want to get a little work done while you are at home. Being able to use it in an office chair is so nice, and having that heat when you have cramps is so relaxing. There are separate settings for the PEMF, and there are 4 levels for the PEMF. Each of the levels can actually be used for different things, so different things that you are wanting to target. So level 1 is the delta brainwave for sleep. Level 2 is the theta brainwave when dreaming. Level 3 is the alpha brainwave, deep relaxation and meditation. And level 4 is beta brain for focus and alertness. There you can see the different levels of PEMF that you can use for different things. If you're wanting to really relax, level 3 is great for that. And then level 4 is one that I like to use when I'm working, when I want to feel really alert. You can definitely test it out with the different settings just to figure out what settings you like the best. Lower levels are more relaxing and higher levels are more stimulating. Also, something to note is that the PEMF will automatically turn off after 20 minutes. I personally use this all the time without the PEMF on. I a lot of times just use it just with the infrared on, which is going to give that heat. The heat feels really nice and it's just really relaxing. You might be thinking, okay, well, when is the time to use this? So obviously you can use it when you're working from home in an office chair, but there are a variety of ways to use it and times to use it as well. You could use it before a workout. You could use it before going to sleep. You could use it while you're watching TV. If you're somebody who likes meditation, they even mention that on their website during your AM/PM meditation. And as a part of any wind down routine. So I really use this the most when I am working, just using it in my office chair, but I could definitely see why somebody might like it just to relax, maybe while they're watching TV or even before bed to kind of wind down and just really relax. So then who exactly is this good for? So if you are somebody that deals with minor muscle pain, minor joint pain, muscle spasms, minor sprains or strains, exercise-induced muscle tightness, stress, or poor sleep, this is definitely something that you could benefit from. Now, it is very pricey, so obviously you have to consider if this is something that you would use enough. Would it be worth the price? Now, personally, to be completely honest, when I first got this, I was just like, okay, so it's like a heated like yoga mat. I didn't know if it would really be worth that much money in my own opinion, but then I figured out that you can use it in an office chair, and honestly, that was such a game changer for me, because if I were to just be using this only as a yoga mat, I just don't think I would use it that often personally. But when I figured out that you can use it in an office chair, I was like, okay, this is something that I can use a lot. And ever since I discovered that, I've been using it all the time. And because of that, I really think I would purchase this. It is pricey, but because I use it so much, I do think that it is worth it. I just really enjoy the heat. It's great for period cramps. And of course, it has those other benefits as well. Like I mentioned, like the fact of infrared therapy and PEMF both working together to really heal the body. I think that's really cool that they're using both of those like technologies and just using those to heal the body and help with recovery. So if you are somebody who works out a lot and gets pain, from working out, this is something that you might enjoy. Or maybe if you just have pains in general, then this might be something that you would benefit from and that you would enjoy. So I really feel like it just depends on you. If you think that you would use this enough for it to be worth the price, if you're going to be using it like 4 to 5 times a week, maybe it would be worth it to you. If you don't see yourself using it that often, then it probably wouldn't be worth it for you. So it really just is a very personal decision if you think that this is worth the price for you. I do have a full-size version. I actually would love to try that and see if I would use it, because I feel like the Go Mat size is so small. I feel like it's harder to use that for like a yoga mat, just because it isn't like a full body size type of mat. So I would be interested to try the full size. If you're somebody who thinks that you would use this mainly for yoga, then maybe the full size version would actually be something that you would prefer, because that one is a larger size, so you can really spread out on that one. You can even just like lay out on that one. I personally really like this size, but I would definitely be very interested to try the full size. The last thing I want to touch on is cleaning. So cleaning is super easy. There's really not much to clean for it. Maybe after a while you might want to like brush off the dust if it collects dust. But if you do that, you can just wipe off dust or dirt with a slightly damp cloth or a non-toxic cleaning wipe. Storage is also really easy. It comes with a storage bag and it'll fit in a closet. It'll fit under a bed really easily. It's also great for traveling. It is a really nice compact size, so it's very nice for storage. It really doesn't take up much space at all. So that's really it. If you guys do decide that maybe this is something that you would want to invest in, I do have a discount code that will give you $75 off. The code is Danny75. I will have that code listed in the description box below, and I will also have the Go Mat and a full-size mat in the description box below. Also, that discount code works for anything from Higher Dose, so if you guys do want to use it, I believe that you can use the code more than once. I don't want to be like wrongly informing you, but I think you can use that code more than once. So for example, maybe you also want to get their sauna blanket. I would say use the codes into like separate orders, so that way you can get $75 off twice. Yeah, it might only be a one-time use code, but it also might not. Or you can always just like change your email and then it should work. So yeah, there's that. I just want you guys to be able to save some money when you can, because these are pricey, so it's really nice to have that discount code. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. If you guys do have any questions about this mat, definitely let me know in the comment section below. You can always also send me a DM on Instagram. My Instagram is Routine Beauty with 3 Ys. If you want to see even more content from me in the future, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all for my next video. Bye guys.